Okay, today what we're doing is repairing the floor. We've taken the Gypcrete out, replaced the plywood, and we've cut a screed board that's going to be exactly the right height that we need. As you notice, we put a notch in the end of the board so that the product will be level from one edge of the Gypcrete over to wherever we need it to be. We've also put in some grade pins. So even though this is a small job, this is the way you could do a larger job as well. So we're going to mix 3 bags of the Gypcrete. We've already got them cut open. We've got our mixing barrel, and then we've got a water reservoir. You want to have the reservoir full of water and ready, because you don't want to have to wait on water from a hose. And you want to be able to dip the right amount of water out, put it in the barrel, put the bags in, and do everything as fast as possible. So we'll be back in a moment with the mixing. Alright, here's what we got. We went ahead and put our water in there for 3 bags, and we put our 3 bags in there because that's about what we figured we would use. And we've got it mixed to a lump-free consistency. And now we're going to double check our water. We're going to double check the water demand on the bags by doing a slump test, just to make sure that we don't have it too wet or too dry. We want to be somewhere around a 9-inch slump, and we're about 9.5. 10. That'll work. That's the wettest you ever want to pour the product. So we're good there. It's just a double check. And now we're going to pour it into place and screed it. Alright, so what you want to do is you'll want to mix the material right before dumping it. Okay, that's good, Mike. Alright, so we're gonna mix it, and then we're gonna dump it immediately. You don't have any time to carry it inside or carry it anywhere. So you want to do your mixing right by the area where you're pouring. Pour it on the floor. Okay, we poured it up to where we think it should be. And we're going to use our screed board a second time and just screed across it. Pull it nice and level or flat. Just like that. Okay, here's our finished floor. As you can see, we tried our best to pour it up to the old Gypcrete. It's always better to be a little bit low than be too high. If you're too high, you're going to have to grind it off. So we used our screed board, and then we used our 2-inch PVC. It's 4 inches long to double check the consistency of the mix and put the right amount of water in it. And we poured this floor at about a 9.5, 10-inch slump. You always want to be around a 9. Never over a 10-inch slump. The product will not get as hard if it's over 10 inches. You just add more water, add more powder to the mix to get it a little bit stiffer, tighter, and stronger.